a hostage with one individual. Things are very precarious. It is learned that a 3-member committee has been constituted by the present Chief Minister to govern the state. This means at one given time there will be 3 Chief Ministers. So instead of one Chief Minister, Goa will be ruled by 3 Chief Ministers. That is the arrangement made by the Chief Minister who has left Goa for his treatment. We wish him all the best in getting necessary medical aid. But he has deserted Goa and won, keeping 3 members as virtually 3 ministers. And that is because he does not trust anybody. It is very clear. Now, when you do this sort of exercise, because how government runs, it's on the basis of rules of business of Government of Goa. Files move as per rules of business of Government of Goa, starting with Director up to Chief Minister. Now, for this purpose, rules of business of Government of Goa has been modified, changed, amended, without which this structure cannot exist. How the file will go interchange with these 3 people, anybody knows? So therefore, this is a fraud on the administration. There is no provision in the Constitution of this time. There is no provision in the rules of business. Number 2, it is learned that government business will be run by video conferencing. If government want to do video conferencing for disposal of files, who will sign those files? And again I am asking whether rules of business of Government of Goa have been amended for the purpose of video conferencing, and how the results of video conferencing are to be authenticated. Are there any guidelines? Are there any rules? One can understand, you can have video conferencing, there is no harm in that, for the purpose of understanding a matter, understanding a view. For disposal of serious matters, files, etc., video conferencing is no solution.